Hi, everyone. I've got Ryan, agent Philly, one of our preferred agent that we work with on a daily basis in Philadelphia. So I just got Ryan here to kind of talk a little bit about what's going on in Philadelphia uh, at the beginning of 2022. So I'll let Ryan take over and kind of give us a brief description of what's going on the residential and commercial side of things in Philly.
Thanks, Matthew. Hello, everyone. This is Ryan here from Philly, and we are now in the midst of the spring market, although it's sub-freezing temperatures out here in Philly, 20 degrees. Traditionally, the spring market hits right after the Super Bowl. So this past Sunday, we had the Super Bowl, and now we are in full swing of the spring market. Inventory at critically low levels. Housing inventory has never been lower. Demand has never been higher. So as a real estate agent, that means, my day-to-day activities are, at a furious pace because the spring market is where everybody comes out of hibernation and jumps into the market. So we're seeing a little bit of trepidation because people don't necessarily know what they're going to do next if they sell their house because there's such low inventory citywide. So yeah, you can sell, but where do you go? That's the classic dilemma that we're seeing right now. That's restricting inventory even further. And on the new development side, new home sites are delivering, I believe, at about 34% of the overall market share. So 34% new construction homes, and the remainder of resales. So that's a positive sign that new homes are coming onto the market, selling at a premium as compared to resales. And new development is our specialty at Agent PHL, powered by Compass New Development. So we've got many new developments this month and this quarter, from Paradise Peak, 24 units over by East Falls, to 32 units in Brewery Town, at Otto on the Park. We have a little something to offer for everybody, different price points, different locations, with a specialty on new development, new construction, apartments and townhomes.
Awesome. And what about on the commercial side of things, on the multifamily side of things?
Yeah, much like residential, with all-time high fundamentals. Apartment sales and industrial sales are leading the way. Office and retail are still, going through the pandemic effects, lack of office workers in the buildings, lack of foot traffic in the retail corridors, but those things will subside naturally. So in the meantime, apartment sales, which we also specialize in, are leading the way, leading the economy. I think national apartment growth is up 11% annually, with certain submarkets, as high as 33%. So rental growth is strong. The fundamentals are exceedingly strong. Philadelphia has become such a desirable place to live as a result of pandemic conditions where people have been fleeing higher cost cities like New York and DC and Boston, coming to Philadelphia for quality of life, comparable quality of life, culture, convenience, connectivity, all the C words. So Philadelphia has experienced an influx of out-of-town buyers and certainly out-of-town investors who are chasing yield that they're not seeing in other markets like New York and DC, where cap rates are, 3 to 4%. In Philly, they are trending downward, but 5 to 6%, you're getting an extra point or two on your return, and that's forcing a lot of investors to choose Philadelphia versus other cities. So apartment sales are robust, land sales, pretty flat, I would say, just because we're in a rising market, and with a rising market, that creates high expectations on behalf of owners and sellers. So we're still seeing a bit of friction when it comes to land sales, dislocation on price, because a builder or a developer can only pay what the market will yield on the out sale, or on the stabilization. So still a little bit of a dislocation when it comes to land valuations, but We're selling land at a prolific rate, and apartment buildings as well. We don't sell much industrial. That's just not our specialty, but industrial is an asset class that's rising as fast as any in the country, and it's very much evidenced here in Philly and South Jersey as well.
Awesome. Well, once again, Ryan, thanks for your time, and we'll be having Ryan on every month just to share some more market insights, and we'll see him touring some of the projects that we're involved. Even though we're in Canada, he's part of our team, and we're always in constant communication. I'll have his contact info below in the video if you guys want to contact Ryan also.
Discover U.S. real estate investing with Mada Partners. Schedule a free call now.